Hello, in this video we are going to have a look at the electrode placement of Combo3 Plus device by UltraCare PRO. Wires attached to this electrode comes from channel 1 and channel 2 of this device. Each channel supplies current to two electrodes, one of red color, another of black color. For TENS application, place the red and black electrode from channel 1, one above the other on one side of the cuff. Similarly, place red and black electrode from channel 2, one below other on other side of the cuff. For EMS application, place red and black electrode from channel 1, one below other on one side of the cuff. Similarly, place red and black electrode from channel 2 on other side of the cuff in a way that the muscle needs to be stimulated is well covered. For rushing current, place red and black electrode from channel 1, one below the other over the muscle that needs to be stimulated. Similarly, place red and black electrode from channel 2, one below the other over the muscle that needs to be stimulated. For IFT application, place red and black electrode from channel 1 diagonally opposite to each other. Similarly, place red and black electrode from channel 2 diagonally opposite to each other. In a way, a cross pattern is made and pain is at rest. Once the electrodes are placed, the device is now ready to setting up the parameters. For other body placements, check our Combo3 Plus placement series.